Over here, come on. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Hi, baby. Come on. Come on.
Everybody I got.
Here we go.
Steak. Oh my goodness, say I haven't had steak in weeks. Come on.
Feeding on day of the demolition. The house is coming down today. Here's all the kids coming for breakfast. Come on, everybody. Come on. Get over here. Come on, get some breakfast.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
The calico is always the last to show up. She's in the bushes yelling usually. Come on. Come on, babies. That's the sick one. See him?
Yep. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, even the back end.
Yeah, that's what I saw, and we didn't see it till we were done feeding yesterday. Come on, everybody, get over here. Come on, we got goodies. Look at everybody. Oh my goodness, how cute. Come on, everybody.